Today for Fincantieri is a very important day. The two big sections of the Explorer built in two different shipyards are going to be joined.
Fincantieri prefer to use different premises in order to build part of their vessel, in order to reduce the time of construction. They will launch the vessel in Castellammare on the slipway, and in order to join the section, they have to float, first of all, the dock in order to float the aft section. And they have to open the dry dock door, and they allow the section to enter. And from that very point, they start the procedure to align the two sections.
This is a critical process because to move this big section is very difficult in any case. The Explorer is coming to life soon.
As owner representative, we are really happy to see that the yard is on schedule at the moment. We are discussing a lot about the architectural feature and how the final appearance will be of the vessel, and we are expecting the best from the ship.